Also, people have found another website you can use to generate your Seedance 2.0 videos and also Seedance 2.5. These platforms also have Seedance 2.5 and that's a new model of Seedance 2.5, and we are going to be trying it in this particular video. So I'll be showing you these two websites we are going to be using in this video. So if you're ready, let's just go through the video and let me show you these platforms and how to go about generating your videos with these particular platforms.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I'll pin the link in the comment section or in the description box to check it out. So once you're here, you just click on this sign up for free and you're going to sign up using your Google account. So I'll just do that and we'll proceed. So once you're here, once you sign up, you're going to be given a prompt like this. You see a notification. Now what you're going to just do, you're just going to click on this join Discord and claim your 200 credits. You can see once you do that, you verify, you just link this to your and then you can just come over here and click on this, and once you do the whole connection, once you do the whole connection, you'll be given 200 credits straight up. So once you click on that claim. So once you click on this claim and log in with your Discord account, you'll be able to claim 200 credits just as what I have here. You can see I have 200 credits here to use. So if you don't have a Discord, you can just create an account and just for purpose of claiming these credits. So now once you're here, the next thing you can do, you can see Seedance 2.2 Pro is going to cost me 200 credits to generate it. Now I'm going to see if there are other cheaper version I can use. Now you can see with this, the fast is 160 credits, and you can see the mini is going to cost me 100 credits. So at least I should be able to generate like 2 videos. Now you can see from here you can actually bring in your image file. You can also bring in video file and also even audio file if you want to. So now I'm saying I want to just bring in my image file. I want to upload an image, so I'm going to upload from, click here, and I'll bring in my reference image. Then once I bring in the reference image, I'm going to now click here. Once I click on it, you're going to see the image will be here. So now I'm going to now bring in my prompt. So what do I want to generate? I'm going to paste in my prompt. You can see I pasted in my prompt. Now I can from here select the aspect ratio I want, the duration I want to generate. If you want to generate 4 seconds, you can see it's 80 minutes, but I'm going to be using 5 seconds to 80 credit. Then from here you can decide to either use 480p. So you can see with 480p is going to be half the credit, so you can see you can even do more. So let's say for example, you can say if you want to even use this mini fast, now you can see with 480p it's going to cost you just 80 credits. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to use Big Pro, it's going to cost you 100 credits. So with your available credit, you can generate up to 2 videos at least from here. So now if you is the number of videos you want to produce at a time. So from here you can decide to, so I'm going to leave his audio on and everything the way it is. So that will be, then from here I think I'm going to be sticking with, let me use the menu to minimize I just want to show you what you can do with this. So you can see with 480p I'm getting 50 credits, so I can generate up to 4 videos using this particular setting. So once I'm done with everything, that I just click on generate, I can see task has been submitted successfully and it is generating my video. That'll be added to queue as with generating my video for me. So while we are waiting for, you can see it's already generated 60 something percent. So let me just quickly wait for the video to finish generating and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, my video is done generating. You can see this is what I have. So if you're okay with the video, you can simply click on this download button here to download the video that has been generated for you. So you can just click on this download and you can see the video is downloaded. So now let me just quickly play the video so that you see what it looks like.
My child, you know when I was your age, I used to take first in school. Do well to make me proud too.
So you can see what our video looks like. You can also, in case you want to, you can also just click on it and you can see it's going to load up, and you can still download it from over here, or you can do and download over here. So I just wanted to show you the various ways you can use to download your video. So you can see with this, it only cost me 50 credits, and I was able to I still have 150 credits over here to make use of. So this is it for this particular platform. So now let me just quickly move to the second platform I'm going to be showing you in this particular tutorial. Alright guys, this is the second platform we are going to be using to try our Seedance video. So once you're here, I'll be also check the comment section or the description box. You still see the link to this particular website over there. So now from here, you can see I'm going to just click on any of the try it for free. So once I click on that, you can see you need to, let me just click in for me to log in. I'm going to be using my Google account to do that. So once I log in, we'll proceed. Alright guys, once you sign up to this particular website with a new account, you'll be given 20 credits. You can see over here I have 20 credits. So once you're here, what you can simply just do, you can see we have Seedance 2.0 and we also have Seedance 2.5 over here. So now what I'm going to do, you can see where we have, you can bring in multiple reference image if you want to. I see image to video also here. I see image to video. If you want to use multiple reference, yeah, it's your choice, but I'm going to be focusing on image to video. And also you can see from here, let me scroll down a little so that you see how it looks. Now from here, let me just first of all bring in my reference image. I'm going to use the same image, so my image has been brought in. Then the prompt, I'm going to paste in my prompt. Then from there, I'm going to, you can see it's going to cost me for this particular settings, it's going to cost me for this one 20 credit to generate with that. So now I'm going to go ahead to show you something. Now what if I want to use my Seedance, this particular 5 points? If I want to use this particular one, if I should scroll down, it's going to cost me 16 credits. Guys, you see it. So just check, and from this particular platform you can still do more, but up to 30 seconds video, but it's going to cost you more credit. But since I'm going to just leave it as, you can see, if I should take it to 5 seconds, that's when it's going to take me 20 credit. But for this, I'm going to just, okay, let me just, now I want to also show you something. If you should use, let's say, this is 5 point, now we have this fast, and we also have this 1.5 Pro. Let's see how much will 1.5 Pro cost me. 1.5 Pro is going to cost me 1 credit. Based on what I'm seeing here, it's going to cost me just 1 credit to generate my video. So now I'm going to do something. I'll try something later on, but for this, I'm going to first of all come over to, I'll be trying using my 2.5 Pro and generate the video. So I'm going to, from here, I'm going to leave it as 4 seconds video. So now I'm going to leave this. If I should increase this, it's going to increase, but I'm going to leave it as this. And my aspect ratio, yes, it's okay the way I want it. And then I'll click on generate, and see, once I click on generate, it will start processing and my video will start generating for me. So I'm going to just wait for it to finish. You can see over here, it's already processing my video and generating it for me. So I'm going to wait for it to finish generating. When it finishes generating, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you can see this is what it generated for me. My video is done generating. So now what, you can simply just scroll down and click on this download to download your video. So once you click on download, you can see it's going to download your video. And let me just play it out so that you hear what it sounds like.
My child, you know, when I was your age, I used to take first in school. Do well to make me proud too.
So guys, you can see what it looks, what the video you just watched, you can see what it looks like. So what I'm going to, if you guys, you can try this particular platform out and let me know which of them works for you, or which of them you're going to be using for your project. So I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. So and also guys, if you're still watching this video, if you consider subscribing to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. And feel free to also join my WhatsApp group or community is in the comment section. Check the description box, you'll see the link to join. So once you join, in that place we get to share ideas together, and also I dare to notify you guys on time before my videos goes live. This is the reason why I'm doing this, because see, most of all these AI platforms, they make changes daily, and if you don't get to use notify of these particular platforms on time, by the time you come to use it, probably, yeah, the changes might have rolled out and you won't be able to use it again. So that's why I created that particular, so that I tend to notify you guys all the time. So that's just it. So you can feel free to join the group. So I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section, just to let me know which of these particular platforms works for you and which one you're going to be using in the future. So that will be all for this particular video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.